Hey everyone, welcome back to Pine Hollow Auto Diagnostics. Well, I gotta drive to New York City tomorrow morning. Unfortunately, not to Staten Island. I have to go to Long Island for work. And the company vehicle that I got this time is a 2015 Ford Escape 2-liter EcoBoost. It drives peppy, it's pretty quick. The gas fuel economy isn't great if you're a spirited driver. It's like 16 miles to the gallon, but it has another issue that's kind of driving me nuts. Let's get inside and I'll show you. Alright. Welcome to the computerized age of vehicles. This thing is loaded with buttons and features and driver assists and all this good stuff. We'll turn down the techno for now. So right now everything seems to be okay. And then this comes on. BLIS not available, trailer attached. What the hell does that mean? You got your orange exclamation point. You got your little, I guess it's the blind spot monitoring system going bananas. And, well, let's take it for a spin. Because it does some funky stuff when you're driving it. So right now there's no warning. Look, it went out all on its own. Let's buckle up so we keep the chimes down to a minimum here. Oh, there we go. Again, trailer. It's blind spot monitoring system not available because the trailer's attached. Last time I checked, we didn't have a trailer attached. Go through the little menu there. Okay. So it does this like every 30 seconds. It's ridiculous. Can't drive like this. And sometimes it goes away. Sometimes it says trailer. Got a little wet here. I think that might be a Cluder problem. It's been really wet the last few days. All the snow melt and rain and everything. So I've also noticed with the turn signals, sometimes they flash normally. Oh, we got a trailer brake lamp bulb fault when I press the brakes. Now we have no warnings again. I've noticed sometimes the turn signals flash really fast. Sometimes they flash normally. There you go again. On and off, on and off. So, where would you go first? Get the scanner out? We're gonna channel our inner Eric O and look for the green crusties. Since it says trailer bulb fault and trailer attached, I want to look at this trailer wiring connector and just look for green crusties. So let's pull it in the shop and see what we find. Alright, let's see what we have here by the trailer hitch. Well, there's the wiring connector. Dun dun dun! Green crusties, yes. This thing is wet and nasty and disgusting. I don't know if this is a factory attachment. It plugs in somewhere. It just comes off the main harness. You can take a look. But let's blow this out with compressed air, spray it with like deoxit, whatever, plaster it with some silicone paste, and hopefully this thing will fix the problem. Alright, let's go to town with the air nozzle. Does look kinda nasty in there. Oh yeah. I don't know if that's salvageable. You stick a drill bit in there, clean those guys out. Spray some deoxit. I don't know. Let's try it. Da-da-da. Let's see if it'll eat the green crusties away. So I picked the drill bit smaller than the size of the holes here. I'm gonna try to get all the crap out of there. Yeah, those look pretty decent, but this green one looks like it was shorting right to the ground, causing all our issues. Not too bad. Get that crap off of there. Do the best we can, right? It's not my car. I'll have to charge him for this, right? So I assume that should be good. Maybe just a little bit more of a deoxit spray. Just kind of dry it off, the outside off, and then coat it with silicone paste, which is basically dielectric grease. I think Eric the car guy loves this stuff, right? We'll coat it all the way around, so hopefully this little flapper seals up nice. Okay. And get in here, whip that guy out. If you're wondering, this is a custom air nozzle, just a standard, trigger, and I adapted a 3/16 or a 1/4 inch brake line, so you can bend this to shape. It'll get in anywhere, much better than the fancy ones you can get on the Snap-on truck. Just a little tip. Uh-oh, what the? I didn't touch that. What the hell? Oh, maybe I pressed the button in my pocket. Let's see. Down you go. I swear, these new cars sometimes they just drive me nuts. So, it's all electronics. It's all gonna go bad. It's only a 2-year-old car. Anyways, let's see here. So that guy hopefully will seal up to the silicone paste. I mean, that's kind of a shitty cover. Alright, got this thing remounted, slathered in silicone paste. So let's take it for a spin and see if all the stupid warning chimes go away. Alright, start it up. Cross your fingers. Oh, look at our nice rear view camera image. We should clean that off too, huh? Oh, thank you for beeping at me. Yes, yes. So far, so good. Well, it seems happy. No more warnings. Sweet. So that's it. No scanners required. There's some green crusties in the trailer connector. So hopefully this car will be reliable for the upcoming trip. And with that, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.